Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to change connected Bluetooth device type in Samsung Galaxy S22. First, where to look for Bluetooth options. Like always, settings, then connections, and now Bluetooth. Right now we have our speaker connected here, but if you want to change the device type, for example, it's not a speaker and our phone choose the wrong option here for whatever reason, we have few options right here that we can change manually. So let's say it's headphones, and now as you can see our audio device type is set as headphones. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.